Hey, what's up, guys? Monte Sandlin here, Coach Boss. Wanted to reach out to you guys in this video and ask you guys if you've ever wanted to start a home-based business but didn't really know where to start or how to get started. If that's you, I've found the perfect solution for you guys, and it's called the Simple Freedom Warriors. And I'd like to invite you guys to a live presentation Saturday night, Saturday 6:30 Mountain Standard Time for you guys. So there's plenty of time for you guys to get ready, and you guys will be able to watch the video, you guys will be able to attend the live and really understand what the program is. And the best thing about it is affordable for everybody. So there's no reason for anybody to not get started. And I love the program because it's helped me personally with my SEO optimization, being able to put together an email list with the campaign, and I got emails going out every day, and I'm having much more success with building my list and also being able to convert in my business. So I think this is a perfect opportunity for people out there that are looking to get started in a home-based business, and hope to see you guys there Saturday. Thank you, guys.